Dilip Saigal, Vice President, Huawei Consumer Business. We're here to launch the Mate 8, our new device. Beginning of the year, great device to be launched. 6 inches screen, octa-core processor, dual processors, 4000 ampere battery, and I think the best device in the market now. And we're also launching the MediaPad 2, the tablet. And this is a great tablet which is entertainment plus business put together. We think that launching the beginning of the year is going to be great. These devices will suit the new style of business where person can get everything he wants from high battery, high efficiency, good screen size and many more features to come. Huawei has been growing year on year. Globally we have shipped over 100 million handsets last year, number 3 worldwide, good number 2 in the Middle East in this region, and we keep growing. Our awareness keeps increasing regularly in every interval. We have great achievements which have been over the last year, and we hope this year will be much higher achievements and more successful.
How do you see competition in the market with so many phones coming up?
A lot of things coming up, but we keep seeing our market share increasing regularly. So we are happy with that. We have great new products, we have great designs, great products which suit every segment of people, and that helps us to keep getting the market share. And as long as we are growing, we are happy.
And do you find that the Mate 8 would be more suitable for the business class people?
Yes, we
because
say
of
it's a new style of business, but it's not only for business. Like I said, it's got large screen display, it's got highest processor, the fastest processor, it's got battery life. So it helps both for social media, for people who want to do business, who are on the go. So it kind of covers everyone, but it's a great device for anybody who's traveling or who has a lot of needs, to use the product, whether it's for documents, whether it's for social media, whether for anything. So it kind of suits the whole lifestyle.
And what has been roughly the growth in the last 1 year in Hawaii, especially here in the UAE?
In our region, I think we have, I don't have the figure right off my mind right now, but we have...
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to mention?
No, I think everybody should experience the device. Once they experience, they will never let it go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.